Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will be starting a new lesson in English literature, and the title of that lesson is Father Teaches Me to Be Prompt. Certain questions I have mentioned here for your beginning of the story, so that you may understand its script. First is, have you ever been jealous of your siblings for any kind of reward they would have earned and you could not earn? It means you might have seen in your family that your brothers are there, any sister is there or brother is there, and he would have earned any reward. Suppose that if your parents have given him or her any kind of reward for doing something good, or if he or she has earned it by his or her good performance from the school or any co-curricular activity, and she would have or he would have earned it and brought it to your home, and everybody is happy, but you are feeling somewhere, you are feeling jealousness. It is not. I'm not saying that it is. It doesn't happen. It happens. It happens, but somewhere it is a very little bit of extent, but it is there. It's a general thing. It's a natural thing that comes. So this story is based on that feeling. That is why I'm writing it here. And then how do you react? Means if you see that he or your brother or sister has earned any reward, how do you react? And do you try to bring a change in your attitude to improve your image? And if you see that if your brother or sister has earned any reward, then you feel na, कि I will also work hard, I will also perform in the same way, so that I will also gain that reward. So this story deals with the similar situation. This story, Father Teaches Me to Be Prompt. This story deals with the similar situation, and the its quote is written here: attitudes affect attitudes. Attitudes affect attitudes means if someone is your well wisher, but he is doing something strict with you, then it doesn't mean that he is not wanting any good for you. He is always wishing good for you, but he is applying that type of attitude so that your attitude may be changed, your attitude may become improved. So this is the whole moral of the story. This is the moral of the story that I have briefed you in the beginning of the lesson. And here the title of that lesson is Father Teaches Me to Be Prompt. Prompt means on time. So how the story writer, the narrator of the story, how his father teaches him to be prompt or to be in time. So here it is a very long, it's a means 4 page of paragraph, 5 page story it is there. 4 page story it is there. In short, I am telling you, and in the later videos we will be discussing. See, here is the name. Here the narrator's name is not mentioned. Who is telling the story, his name is not mentioned. But it is being told that every day at breakfast time in the morning, his brother, whose name was George, he always got ready, and he reached at the dining table for breakfast before his father came there. And why he did so? He only did because he would get up early and reach there and get the newspaper and see the news related to sports. For that purpose only. His purpose was not to earn any reward, but for that purpose, every day before time he used to reach there and see the newspaper of sports related. And when his father came, he handed over the newspaper to his father. But his father became very happy with his brother, that every day he comes before time. and the narrator who is telling the story, he is uh, he is always late, and his father is very sad of him, that why every day he becomes late. So one and his brother, when his father took the paper, he just used to play the music. He was also not a very good. Uh, he did not have the very good knowledge of music also, but everything he was doing. But this man, this narrator, did not use, never reached there in time. So one day his father called him that you come fast, with a louder voice. He said, I am not ready. Means he shouted, and he replied also in anger that, sir, father, I am not ready. His father said, you come here, you come at your dining table, whether you are ready or not ready, in whatever situation you are, you come. So he got there, and he also felt bad, and his mother suggested to his father that, and his father, he gave a watch to his brother as a reward, that you are always in time, and that is why I am giving you the reward, although his brother is younger to him. And his father said to the narrator that, your brother is younger to you, and I thought that I will give the watch first to you, then to your brother. But your brother has a very good attitude, is a very good developing a very good habit. That is why I am giving it to you. But I have, and on that watch he has also got written George Palmley Day, always on time. Means his brother's name is George Palmley. So that on that watch he had got written George Palmley Day, always on time. And he said that, see, I have brought the watch for your brother, and it is written here also on the watch, and I have also brought a watch for you also, but I will not give it to you, and nothing is written also, unless and until you start coming to the breakfast in time. So his mother says that, this is not the way. You should also give the watch to him, and then he will also become good. And his father said, no, this is not the way. Unless and until he becomes good, we will not give him the watch. Then his mother gave a watch to him, and that was a very nice watch, but of old times. And so many times during playing, the glass of the watch got broken. So, and last he became very serious, and he saw that the watch that his father gave to his brother was very nice also, in modern style, and whenever it is put in a water also, or even it is thrown anywhere also, then also it doesn't get defected. So at last he put that watch, his mother gave to him, his mother gave to him, he put the watch, and he was not using that watch. And in last he became very disappointed that my father doesn't loves me, and he loves my brother. But a thought came in his mind that, if I change my attitude, if I try to get up early and reach there on the dining table early in the morning, so my father will become happy with me, and maybe he will also give me me also the watch. And he just promised to himself that every day I will get up ready and go to the dining table for breakfast. So although he promised, but if we are also promising something new, but in the beginning of that action, there are some differences. So in beginning he also faced some problems, but after some times he became used to, and he every day he used to reach there on the dining table in time, and his father became very happy, and he also gave a watch to him. So this was the moral of the story, that how the attitude of his father changed the attitude of the son. If his father would not become strict, then his son also could not, his attitude could not have improved. So that is why attitudes affect attitudes. This is the moral of the story, and paragraph wise explanation we will be discussing in the coming videos. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.